Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video link on Instagram. So first up, what you need to do is to pull up your YouTube app on your phone. And then here, we're just going to look for the specific video that we wish to share to our Instagram. So let's say this one right here. So just look for the three dots icon right below the video. It's right beside the title as well. And then select share. And then here, scroll all the way to the right until you see more. So tap on more. And then we're going to look for Instagram right here. So tap on Instagram and then just select the people that you wish to share it to. Once that's done, you can go ahead and share your YouTube link. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.